All right, everyone. I'm back with a new video. Today, I want to talk to you guys about Blizzard Money. Um, Blizzard Money is a yield farming and staking platform on Binance Smart Chain, forked from PancakeSwap and Goose DeFi. I'm pretty sure everybody is familiar with PancakeSwap. They're doing really good. Um, so they have Blizzard Money have dedicated team of experienced. They call themselves Yetis, who have been in crypto for years, and they're firm believers in safe farming. And Blizzard or X Blizzard is their native token um, on this platform. And then, as you can see, this is one of the Blizzards right here, where you can pool stake their X Blizzard native token for something like BUSD. Right now you can farm BSD, but this keeps changing. Once the block's going to be fully farmed, then this will be updated, and then they will bring something else. They actually have a very strong community pool system where they go on Telegram and Twitter, and then they share with the community which new pools they want to put in here. So that's pretty good. And then not only you can farm your X Blizzard tokens, you can also farm Tusk, which is going to be the main staple of the Mammoth Gaming. That's going to be the house currency on Mammoth Gaming, Tusk. And right now you can pool your Tusks for something like Wings. And then on Jet Fuel, which is another DApp a yield farming site, you can actually pull your Wings for Tusks. So I want to talk to you guys about Snowbank. Snowbank is where you can pool your pairs, liquidity pairs, such as X Blizzard BUSD or Cake BNB, Cake BUSD, ETH BNB. I mean, they have a lot of pairs, but I'll just show you right now. The biggest one I'm doing right now is the X Blizzard Auto Compound. It's a 243 APY, and it's on Auto Compound. So I've staked about 1,000, and just in a few days I've accumulated 46. So that's it's working out pretty good. And then the other native tokens such as Tempest and Gale that you get from these other yield farming farms and the pairs, like you can see over here, I have 3 Tempest and 3 Gale. Gale is actually backed by BUSD, and it's recession free token, they call it. And then you can sell Gale for BUSD, and then you can also claim interest, which is a pool. And then for the same thing with the Tempest, you can actually sell your Tempest for X Blizzard and BUSD LP tokens, and then you can actually go back and stake that LP. So Blizzard Money is a very strong platform. It's a yield farm, and great team behind. And as time goes on, special Blizzard staking pools will appear on this, which may reward the people who stake their tokens in different ways. So that's that's it for today. I'm gonna be posting updates. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. You can actually check them out on Facebook. They have a Facebook page. They keep posting updates on their Facebook, and they have a Twitter page. They're also on Telegram, very active community. And then if you like my video, kindly subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll be bringing more yield farming videos to you guys. All right, have a good one.